Okay, it's first day in
Horwich.
Horwich. And Lucy is taking me out for breakfast. Okay, so we'll see you later.
So big it has to have two handles so you can lift it up.
Wow. So here we are at Costa having a coffee. Americano with Lucy. Look at how massive these cups are. And they got handles so you can like go two-fisted. So that's the football stadium?
Yeah, that's Bolton Wanderers.
Like soccer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Here we have a police station.
Oh. A British police station. They have their police cars parked there? No?
There might be the odd one. They're probably out and about now. This one over here is Bolton Arena. That's where Ava does the gymnastics.
Oh,
so we come
okay.
down
I think
here.
we've seen that in Carrie's
We come past it already.
vlog.
Oh yeah. She
met you.
so she came here. So we come here like twice a week, on a Friday and on a Sunday for Ava to do gymnastics.
And what's that?
So that
Weird looking thing.
it's a trophy sort of statue thing, and if you look really closely, on all them little things are old Bolton Wanderers players' faces.
Oh.
I won't pick it up on the camera, but you can just about make them out.
Not me, I don't have my glasses, but it's very interesting. And here we are in a what's it, roundabout?
That's a roundabout, yeah.
Roundabout. Traffic circle.
circle.
It's a traffic circle. And what do these squiggly lines mean?
They mean don't park in those lines because it's like a crossing.
Oh.
So that's a De Vere's hotel, like what we've just been in. But whereas we were in a De Vere's venue, so it's like attached to. Well, it might not be De Vere's anymore. It was De Vere's. The massive Tesco here. So
Is this like a supermarket?
Yeah, this is a really big supermarket.
Like a Walmart, equivalent to a Walmart?
Well, Asda is the one that is Walmart.
Oh, okay.
But Tesco's just another brand of supermarket.
Oh, okay.
A really big one.
Alright. An ambulance! Is that an ambulance or a police car?
Well, it's an ambulance, but like they're called first responders, so they're just like a man with a bag.
It was yellow and green?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was yellow and green. And in Canada, ours was white and red.
Ah, right, okay.
And it's a great big truck that, you know, it has...
Yeah. So they go round, they have a paramedic in that can help people. If the person actually would need to go to hospital, they'd have to call for a proper ambulance that has a stretcher. You know,
Yeah,
like
that's,
a big
that's
thing.
what ours typically looks like.
But these ones are just...
House calls, emergency house calls.
Yeah, they'll get there first and sort of weigh up the situation quite often.
And these are houses?
Houses, yeah.
Or,
Yeah.
like, in Canada we call these duplexes because it's like side-by-side housing.
Right, so we call them semi-detached. So a detached house is one that's on its own completely. If it's two together, it's a semi-detached. And then if there's a row of them all joined up, it's a terrace.
Yeah, we call those condos.
Ah, right, okay.
When they're all lined up and attached. And if there's just two like this, it's called a duplex.
Ah, right, okay.
Sorry for the shaking. It's bumpy.
So that there is Horwich Leisure Centre, so that's like a sports centre and a swimming pool.
way around the roundabout.
Oh. We've got a church.
Oh. Cemetery. Oh, it's not. It's too rainy. Can't see. It's okay.
And then there's probably about 300 houses down here.
Oh.
So if it does snow and this gets blocked, the whole estate is absolutely screwed. We can't get on or off.
Oh.
So fortunately it doesn't snow very often.
So this is Lucy's neighborhood. This is a red garage door. Very cool.
That's my house there, but we'll need to just turn round at the bottom of the road. Come back.
So, this is where Lucy lives. Very nice. This is Lucy's Charting Creations. Which chart is it?
It's the Triumphant Ride.
Triumphant Ride.
And this is the Chromatic Alchemy one I had
wow, look
custom
at that
dyed.
fabric.
And she's now made it into one called Amortentia, I think.
Wow.
And it's like yay long. It's so long. But I'm just getting a bit bored of the black. So I do a bit, then I put it away, then I do a bit more, then I put it away.
Well, it's turning out nice.
It's cool, isn't it?
Is Lucy's Cut Through Castle, is it?
Princess Castle.
Princess Castle. That she did for her little girl. It's a, how do you say, bothy threads or boothy threads or...
Bothy.
Bothy.
That's right.
Bothy threads. That just sounds... I didn't know it was pronounced that way. But that's very cool. They cut through rocket ship.
Rocket or rocket, I can't remember what it's called.
And it's for her son. Very neat. I like that all down here. Well, it's all sparkly.
It is sparkly.
I don't think the sparkle's coming out on the camera, but this is all sparkle.
Yeah. Emily was going to do this for a little brother, I think. So Emily, you need to do this one. It's cool.
Oh yeah, yeah, it is. So here I am visiting Lucy, and look at what she's making me do. Wait, this is not. So here I am at Lucy's, visiting Lucy for the morning while Carrie's getting ready and stuff. And look at what she's having me do. I've done one bobbin. And you know what? You know I love you, Lucy, when I think bobbinating is a cruel form of punishment. But here we are, sitting on her floor.
I took you for breakfast. The least you can do is wind a few bobbins for me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
did say she didn't have to. I was going to bobinate and she could sit and chat.
No.
But she offered to help
No,
me.
I'm giving you a hard time like I do. Don't worry. We're having fun.
We are.
Playing and feeling a floss. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
So, I'm back at Carrie's now. We're just going to have a stitchy session. We were going to go out and about in, you have to pronounce the name because I'm going to smash it.
In Horwich.
Horwich.
Yeah.
But it is pouring rain. Now I'm just going to take you over to the window over here and show you. It's raining sideways. And I'm not sure if you can get a good view of that, but that is definitely not walking about in Kitty 2. And I definitely don't have gear to walk in rain like this because it don't rain like this in Canada.
Does it not?
Well, in the summer for like maybe a day.
Oh god, this is constant, bro.
No. Maybe for a day. We're more drought weather in the summer. And snow in the winter, which is what we got right now, but not like this. Not where I'm from anyway. So, we're going to have a stitchy day. Which is A-okay. We got stuff to do.
Yeah.
Alright. Talk to you later. Bye! Alright. I'm going to show the excessiveness of her steep stairs. It's almost as steep as a ladder. It's scary for me as a person who walks out and about and stuff. But for somebody who has where's there a light here so I can show you? For somebody who has limited mobility, to be able to go up and down these stairs is like scary, basically. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Oh, and here they have washer and dryer in the kitchens. So that's her washing machine. And then here's her dryer, I think. Yeah, that's her dryer. And then you just have a hose that connects to the dryer and then outside, which is different. Just another little quirk of the way they do things here. I'm being mobbed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Say hi. Say hi.
Kids programs, don't they?
On my last video, I showed you a head
Andy, say hi.
which is the
Look at Carrie keeps getting beaten up by her lamp.
Continually. Stay around there. No. I'm not playing today.
There's Daisy Moo.
It's 86 colours. 86 colours.